It's May 10th, 2025. We have an abundance of blueberries. Don't tell the birds. I'm going to be putting bird netting on these real soon. See, the birds don't like to eat them until they turn ripe. So we have a few days, but look at these right here. They're starting to turn color. And they're nice size. Just beautiful bunches of blueberries. Here we have this branch that got too heavy and it just bent over. So I slid one of the big pots over so it has a place to rest. See, it's loaded with berries.